Alrighty, guys, it's time to work on our next paper for our dream vacation. Make sure you have your next paper that says Dream Vacation Climate. Today, we're going to be finding out what is the weather going to be like when you travel to your location. So in the top section, it says Dream Vacation Climate. If you have some time, add a little color to your sunshine. It says the climate of your destination plays a role in what activities you can do. What is the climate of your destination? So first things first, you need to choose. It says, what season are you visiting your destination during? Are you going to want to go to your place in the winter, the spring, the summer, or the fall? Now I'm going to Hawaii, so I don't think I want to go in the winter in case it gets too cold. The spring might be nice because it's a little warm, but not too hot. The summer would be beautiful, but you guys know me. I'm not a huge fan of super, super hot weather. Fall weather might be a little bit better. So I'm kind of stuck between spring and fall. Summer might be a little bit too hot for me. So I'm stuck. Do I want to go in the spring or the fall? Well, I think it is springtime right now, and it's beautiful outside. So I'm thinking spring might be good here in Colorado, so it might be even better in Hawaii. So the first thing I'm going to circle is spring. Next, it says, what is the average high temperature for your destination? High temperature. So I'm going to be going online to find this information. We're not guessing, we're not asking, we're researching. So I'm going to move my paper to the side and I'm going to open up a new Google tab. I want to find out the high temperature for Hawaii in the spring. So I'm going to type in high temperature in Hawaii during the spring. Once I've typed that in, I will most likely get some words to read. It says Hawaiian weather is relatively consistent year-round. That means it's pretty much the same all year, with the average high temperatures ranging between 78 degrees and 85 degrees. So I just found my answer, 78 to 85. So right here on my paper, I'm going to write it on my top line. It says, what is the average high temperature? I just found out it's 78 to 85. And then to put degrees, you're going to put this little circle up here at the top. That stands for degrees. The next section I'm looking for is the average low temperature. So I'm going to go back up here and it says high temperature in Hawaii during the spring. I'm going to change high to low. Low temperature in Hawaii during the spring. Over half the days from December to March in Honolulu, that's Hawaii, temperatures reaching at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Most nights, though, cool down to 70 degrees, but are no less than 50 degrees. Indeed, only 6 nights a year on average have a low temperature cooler than 60. So it says only 6 nights a year have 60. So do I want to write 60? No, it's only 6 nights. It says most nights are about 70. So I'm going to put here 70 degrees. My next question says, what is the average precipitation? That means rain during the time of your visit. I'm going to put up here and take away low temperature and put in precipitation. That means rain. So I'm putting in precipitation in Hawaii during the spring. And then I've got to read Hawaii, the big island, 1.49 inches. This average is based on the weather. So I've got my answer, 1.45 inches. 1.49 inches. I'm going to write IN for inches. The last part, and my favorite part, is this bottom section. It says, draw a picture of your destination showing the climate during your visit. So I know I'm going to the springtime, so I'm going to put Hawaii during the spring. I'm going to press enter and click on my images. My images are going to show lots of beautiful pictures about what Hawaii looks like during the spring. I'm going to choose my favorite picture and I'm going to draw it right here in my bottom box. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have fun finding out your dream vacation climate. When you are finished, proud of your work, slide this inside your folder and you are set to go. Have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you need some help.